If you want to drain your coolant, open the cap at the top and find the lowest point at the bottom of the car. Sometimes there is a radiator, there is a drain installed, but I cannot see it here. So what I'm gonna do is find the lowest point where I can open one of the pipes where the coolant flows. So in this case, it's so you can kind of see with these clamps, extra clamps, where the coolant is running or the water is running. So it's running here as well through the radiator, but I think it's easier just to open this one. Let's try. Here it is, couple of liters of coolant. Obviously there is more in the system, but that will do for now. From the top, it's empty now, so I can take it off, take the water pump off, and do the rest what I need to do.